Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on DOOGEE X97 Pro. To do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now let's find the Firefox on the top right here. When it's ready you should be able to open it. Now we can customize the browser with different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.